In this video, I'll be sharing 5 public speaking mistakes that you're probably doing right now that make you look unprofessional. And if you keep making those mistakes and you leave them unchecked, they'll probably cost you your credibility in the long run. Hello, my name is Sal, and in this channel, we explore the strategies and the tools to help you with your mindset, confidence, and public speaking. If you're new here, welcome. Mistake number 1 is failure to practice. I've heard way too many people say that they prefer to just wing it on the day. And I've watched those same people fail at their winging attempt. Listen, there's nothing wrong with practicing. Practicing your speech, presentation, or keynote doesn't make you an amateur. In fact, taking the time to ensure that you get your delivery right shows professionalism. Mistake number 2 is being so afraid of silence or pregnant pauses during your speech that you decide to use filler words such as, well, like, and does this make sense? To fill up the space of silence. There's nothing wrong with using filler words once in a while. No one is perfect, myself included. However, filler words become an issue when you start using them so much that your audience can almost predict when you'll use them again. When that happens, it starts to feel a little bit annoying. There is power in having a few seconds of silence during your talk, so don't be afraid to add some pauses during your podcast interview, presentation, workshop, or keynote. Mistake number 3 is raising your voice to a high pitch at the end of each sentence. In the public speaking world, we call this using the wrong intonation. If you raise your voice at the end of a sentence when you want to make a statement, your statement will end up sounding like a question instead. For example, I believe everyone should feel confident to achieve their full potential. Versus, I believe everyone should feel confident to achieve their full potential. The second sentence feels like I'm not sure of what I just said, and it also feels like I'm trying to seek your approval. The first sentence sounds more certain. Mistake number 4 is what I call random walking, and I find it so distracting when a speaker decides to start walking around the stage. Back and forth. And most audiences don't like it either because you're forcing your audience to do 2 things at once. Follow you around with their eyes and consume the content that you're sharing. And that requires quite a bit more of concentration. The 5th and final mistake is information overload. Please try your best not to cram every single thing that you know about a certain topic. When we're really passionate about something, we tend to overshare. But too much information might give the audience a harder time listening to you because they might find it really hard to pick what's important and what's not. It's your job as a speaker to deliver the key pieces of information in a simple and digestible way. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. Have you made any of those 5 mistakes yourself? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. My second question is, are you guilty of any of those 5 mistakes yourself? I have been guilty of information overload. Giving my audience way too much information, but I've learned my lesson. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend or a colleague, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, take care, and I will see you on the next one.
To book Sell for a keynote or workshop, go to www.selamade.com /speaking